What's happening, guys? My next knife review will be on the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. So this will be the classic SD, this little guy right there. And I got this at Walmart over 2 years ago. Also, this will be my third review on this. I decided to, just bring this out one last time. Alright, so this little guy right here. So yes, I got this at Walmart over 2 years ago. So why not? I decided to review it for the, final time. This will be my everyday carry and utility. So this one, I have it in my wallet, and of course, you already know it. This is a very common item. You can pick this up at any Walmart stores you go for 20 bucks, anytime, anywhere. Say many times in my other video. So this will be my third time reviewing this, and yeah, works great every time after over 2 years owning this. Alright, so I'll come up here as always. So I'll make this video short. So anyway, here's this little guy right here. The classic SD is what you call this. Alright, let's start with this one right here. And, no need to tell you. You already know what these are. Wait, let me start over here. There you go. Alright, no need to tell you. You already know what these guys are. And that's it. Yeah, just, very simple. Small, compact, easy to use. And right there, the tweezer and the toothpick. No need to show that off. You already know what all these guys are. And there you go. Alright, so I say this all the time, like a broken record. Yes, I highly recommend it for, 20 bucks at Walmart. So again, anytime, anywhere, you can pick this up at any store you go. Yeah, it's a great EDC, everyday carry, utility, and also a good backup. Yeah, fits nice in the hand. And of course, yes, I have this in my wallet mostly. Yeah, I have to say I've been using this for about over 2 years and never had a single problem with it at all. Alright, so show you again one last time here. There you go. No need to tell you what these are. And there you go. I think that's about it. I covered everything. So I'll just keep this review short. So again, anytime, anywhere for 20 bucks. Yep, again, it's made in Switzerland. That's the best thing about this. Yeah, small, compact, easy to use, no problem at all. So Walmart, that's where you can get this anytime, anywhere. And there you go. I decided to review this one last time. This will be my third review on this. Alright, I think that's about it. I said all I can, gave you the the proper info, and I think that's that. Okay, so I gave you a good review on the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, the classic SD that I got at Walmart. Alright, so hope you liked the video review, and I will see you in the next one. And let me know what you think of my stuff as always, and peace out.